sprinkles here, are we, Kristen?
No, we're talking some rain that's going to be moving in tonight. Half an inch to 3/4 of an inch by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. It could be an interesting morning commute, that's for sure. You'll want to tune into Sally, who will be covering that for you tomorrow. But right now, I want to focus my attention on some areas out across parts of eastern Oregon and into the south and east. Southeast of Burns right now, a severe thunderstorm warning was just issued minutes ago. It goes until 5:30, and it's because of this cell here, and it's moving to the northeast at about 25 miles an hour. It's producing quite a bit of hail, and so it could possibly even produce 1/4 inch sized hail, which could do a little bit of damage. And also, more importantly, the winds could be up near 60 miles an hour or higher, so there could definitely be some damaging wind. Right now it looks like it's trying to weaken though, so definitely some good news there. It should continue to do that as it continues to progress to the north and east, headed towards New Princeton, and I know it was just minutes away from Buena Vista Field, so definitely stay out of this storm's path. You don't want to mess with it. It is starting to weaken. I'll keep you updated, but again, and within the next 15 minutes or so, it is going to be headed towards that town of Princeton. So watching for some small hail, or moderate sized hail, I should say, and also that possibility for very gusty winds. Look at all the lightning that's been happening east of the Cascades across far eastern Oregon. This will all start to taper off once the sun goes down and we lose some of the heating from the day. Now, as we go towards the Cascades through the gorge and east and west, we're not seeing that stormy weather, but we are starting to see the rain approach. So it is starting to move into the Portland metro area. Up north of Orchards, Battleground, back towards Hood River, we're seeing the rain. It's all moving from east to west, which is a little bit different from the direction we typically see it move, but it's thanks to this upper level low that's above us, and this upper low is going to stay above us, so it's going to keep the weather unsettled all week long. Here's a look at your weather headlines and what you can expect for tonight. Turning wetter. Of course, the showers are just starting to push into the metro area, and as we go into tomorrow morning, we're talking half an inch to 3/4 of an inch of rain. That could definitely mean some ponding on the roads. It does start to taper off a little bit for the afternoon. We'll stay cool with highs in the upper 50s for tomorrow, and we'll stay fairly cool for the rest of the week still. 57 out there right now. Our normal high is around 66 degrees, so we are definitely far below that, and that'll be the trend for tomorrow too, even cooler tomorrow. Upper 50s through 7 p.m., mid 50s as we approach 11 p.m., dodging some rain here and there. It really starts to intensify and really stay steady overnight. We'll see a low tonight of 50 degrees, northwest winds at 5 to 10, so the winds stay pretty light for us. Here's a look at your forecast as we go through tomorrow. So 57 now, but tomorrow we'll start off with temperatures in the low 50s. 10 a.m. we're in the low 50s still. This is when we're going to see our wettest period. It will be in the morning, afternoon hours, starting to taper off a little bit, but still we will have it around here and there, but it should be a lot lighter for the afternoon. And look at those highs, only in the mid 50s tomorrow afternoon. Out there now, we're in the low to mid 50s up and down the coast, 57 in Portland, 57 down in Salem, east of the Cascades, highs there in the 40s, or temperatures in the 40s, I should say, cooling off from some of the rain. It'll be a little bit milder than that tomorrow afternoon. In fact, far eastern Oregon will try to get into the 60s for highs. Your forecast now region by region, and we'll have rain changing over to showers for tomorrow afternoon, half an inch to 3/4 of an inch of rain, low to mid 50s, I-5 mid 50s, wetter the farther north you go, and then central and eastern Oregon, temperatures in the 50s there with showers, and watching for a few more storms tomorrow afternoon. Your forecast for the Cascades, showers, a stray storm possible, and we'll watch for a stray thunderstorm or two in the gorge tomorrow as well. 7-day forecast, temperatures do warm up by the end of the week and we start to dry things out a bit, but no 80s anytime soon. We're staying cool.